It's time to start. Good health. Dear subscribers and guests of my channel, my name is Evgeny Nazarov. This is Nazarov Custom Channel. And today we will talk about a new motorcycle, which I want to collect from the whole pile of this scrap metal. Here is this project prepared long 7 years. Long 7 years ago, I came up with putting it together, imagined how it would be, and slowly began to prepare the details. So I got an engine. So I got a pendulum, rear wheel with front included. Quite recently to me, gave this wonderful Yamaha tank. Yes, there are moments with him. There he is somewhere struck, somewhere crumpled. But everything is done. Yes, it's finally time. It's been a long time since I got involved in building a motorcycle with zero. And here it is. And now that all the parts available, we can proceed. I can't even imagine what awaits me ahead. What will be the problems? What will be mistakes? What will be the difficulties? How many interesting moments await us? I'm already just anticipating. Yes, it will be hard, but it's worth it. So get comfortable. And we start. An engine for stroke. 110 cube semi-automatic, 4 gears, 0 hole. Back from Java, one good person, me asked him. Yes, there are moments. There are chipped there. Dents are scratches. But everything is done. The most important thing, that inside he is alive and did not rust finally such. Front wheel with old one. Unnecessary to me in this project, Travers. The most important thing is the disc. I have not found such discs anywhere on the internet. I do not know where they came from. But rims are great. Back wheel. The back wheel is already done under the star, with damper for soft move. It was once a scooter wheel. A drum was housed here. Drive went on slots. But I redid everything, slots removed. Made a transition over the damper to the star. And now our motor can safely transmit. Effort on this wheel. On this side we have a brake disc. Oh, pendulum. Pendulum like this here is an interesting homemade. But will he redo? Will cut? Because I think so. What for a frame like that, it's too wide. Yes, and he is crooked like my life. He was dragged through so many warehouses. So many attics in these 7 years. So we will still work on it. And now new parts. Who just came to me today? Fork, that's such a fork. 74 centimeters and with frame piece. With a glass with keys. With mount the steering wheel. Everything you need for custom. This is the part of the frame, with already ready mounts and axles for the engine. Just boil this part into your custom frame. And do not play with the engine fit. This will save me a week of time. Worth a dime. These are the flawed shock absorbers. A little bit, bring them in order and we'll run. Cut off, probably necessary. Here are these barrels. There's probably nothing in them anyway. 40/1 star, which suits me more than my 38ths. My gear ratios, 2 in speed was an acceleration, and Oscar front wheel. Wide long. By the size of my disc and by the size of a new fork. That's such a tidy. Old wretched tidy. For 3 pennies we will sort it out. Divide the tachometer with the speedometer separately, and put in some unexpected places. Checkpoint foot took specially Bauschny. I had a new chrome beautiful in my kit. But I feel sorry to cook such beauty. So I took a Bausch paw. And we will make it not a paw but a pen. Wiring all fully assembled. Wiring on this engine. Of it I think more than half will be cut. Because I don't need it, only as far as the engine is concerned. optics, and maybe a few more functions. Great option as a blank. And now the most interesting assembly begins. Fitting parts. Frame welding. Fork. Work, of course, very much. And you will have to play with the wiring. She is in the worst condition and tidy. I will even think about whether to put her. And almost all parts are already available. The rest we will get in the course of the play. Now the most important thing is to collect it all to the heap. But before we put the frame, on which we will install everything, need to sort out the front fork, which she has a lot of moments, but about it in the next video. Hello, my name is Evgeny Nazarov. With you we're channel Nazarov Customs. Next you will find a fascinating musical outro. And it's time for me. Aloha Hawaiians, aloha. Recording went. Me 100%. Well done. I can't even imagine. Me, hey me. And you will be happy. And this I have in abundance. Relax and watch that. How does that mountain of scrap metal turn into a great one? Nice super duper fuck the fuck. Fairy tale fucking. But here probably under a t-shirt or something. Something cooked something fucking. Chudili fuck. Trash fucking, of course, fucked up well. Okay, we will do. That's such his. Everything else. As for the operation of the engine and of fucking concerns, only left. Take and make.